If you're not loading captions or subtitles into your LinkedIn videos, then you're missing out on views and engagement, because a lot of people are browsing LinkedIn when they're, say, commuting, or they don't have headphones, or just generally don't want to play sound on the videos for whatever reason. So if you don't have captions, people are going to tend to skip over your videos. First, we need to generate what's called an SRT file, and I'm going to teach you two ways to do that. The first way is free but requires a small chunk of your time, and the second way takes almost none of your time, but there is a cost of $1.25 per minute of your video. Let's start with the free way, and that's done by using YouTube itself. So if you haven't already got a YouTube account, set one up. Otherwise, head over to your YouTube studio and then click on Create and Upload Video. Click Select Files. Then select the video, hit Open, and then it will start uploading. What we're doing with YouTube here is uploading a video. We don't need to publish it, but YouTube will automatically generate captions for us, done by a computer, so it won't be so accurate. We're going to need to go in there and edit the captions file ourselves. We'll skip through because we're not going to publish this and make it as unlisted. And now we hit save, and we're going to need to wait maybe up to an hour for YouTube to auto-generate those captions. So let's just wait for that. Okay, time's up. Open up the video in your YouTube studio, then navigate over to Subtitles, and you'll be looking for the subtitles to be published automatic, and you want to click on Edit in Classic Studio. From here, you can see that the subtitles have been automatically generated, but you want to edit them because they're not going to be that accurate. Now it's just a matter of going through and adding punctuation, such as capital letters, full stops, and commas. You'll also notice that YouTube doesn't do a great job of making paragraphs out of your sentences. So I recommend, if you're doing the free way, don't worry about fiddling around with the paragraphs. If you really want it to look nice like that, go with the second option, which I'll show you in just a moment. Once you've tidied it up, just click Save Changes. Then in the Actions menu under Download, select SRT, and this is the file that will upload to LinkedIn, and I'll show you how to do this later in the video. This second way, that takes almost none of your time but does have a cost of $1.25 per minute, is done using the online service at rev.com. So here we are on the website, and we're going to click on the middle one here, which is Captions. Next, you want to hit the Get Started button. So we're talking about native LinkedIn videos, which is videos that are living initially on our computer. So we're going to click on Upload Files. I've got my file on my desktop, so I'm going to click Select Files. I'm going to select here from my desktop, and I'm going to click the Upload button. And while that uploads, thanks for watching Level Up Your Video Skills, the YouTube channel that helps you, a busy professional, with all things video on your device and desktop. Please give us a like and consider subscribing if you like this content. Once the file has been uploaded, we move on to the payment screen. Rev.com guarantees all captions to be done within 24 hours. I find that generally takes only a few hours, especially for shorter videos. You've also got an option to rush your order if you need it urgently. Next, we'll just hit the Checkout button. Here's where you create an account with Rev if you don't already have one, but because I already do, I'm going to sign in. And then you can choose your payment option. So now the order is processing and the order is confirmed. At rev.com, they actually use humans to create the subtitles instead of using automated computers, but they do make mistakes from time to time. So here is a section where you can add in special spelling for names or other words that appear in your video. Wow, that was quick. It only seemed like it took a few seconds. So I've got my email from Rev. Now I can click on View and Edit Your Captions. Here is where you can go through your captions and make sure that there's no errors in there and that the timing is also correct, which it should be. Once you're happy, just click the Download button and make sure you're downloading as an SRT, and then just press Download. How to actually add subtitles to your LinkedIn video. Now I've got a different video on how to actually upload a video to LinkedIn using either your phone or the desktop version. So we're on the desktop version, so we'll click the easy way and click the video icon. Then I'm going to choose the video, click Open, then I just hit the Edit button, and this is where the video caption file is uploaded. A quick note, you can't upload caption files after the video's already been uploaded, so you need to do it when you upload the video for the first time, so keep that in mind. So I'll select that, and I'm going to choose my Rev version because that's more accurate and the paragraphs look nicer. Then just click Open, and then all you need to do is hit Done, and once you've put in your description and hashtags and whatever, you click Post, and then the video will contain your captions automatically ready to go. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you learned something today, and please consider subscribing for more videos like this. Speaking of more videos, check out some more tutorial videos specific to LinkedIn on the playlist up here, and for the next one up in the series, check it out here. I'll see you in the next one.